Hello everyone. I'm Zahid Abbas. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel ZeeSpace. In this video we are going to learn that how can we create a whiteboard animation in PowerPoint. This is how this animation works. First we write something on the board. Then we erase it with the help of a slider eraser. Once again we write something on the whiteboard. And then we can erase it with the slider eraser. This effect leaves a good impact on the viewer's eyes. Let's start learning now. Start with a blank slide. Insert a rectangle from Shapes menu having almost same size of the slide, leaving a little border around. Make sure to align it in the center and middle of the slide. Create its duplicate and align it on the same position. Reduce its width to 0.2. Fill it with dark gray color and remove its outline. Select the other rectangle, fill it with white color and remove its outline as well. Select both the rectangles and press Ctrl G to combine them as a group. Insert a rectangular frame from Shapes menu. Its size must be equal to the white rectangle. Reduce its border width. Fill it with same dark gray color with no outline. Select the white rectangle and slide it towards the right edge of the slide. Make two duplicates of this slide. Select the first slide and write some text on it. I'm going to copy and paste some text from one of my previous slides. Open the Animations pane. Paste the same text on the next slide also. Remove all the animations from the text on this slide. Select the previous slide and open the selection pane. Rearrange the things such that the frame and the group must be on the top of all text boxes. Do the same on the next slide as well. Copy the text from the second slide and paste it on the third. Go on the second slide, slide the group containing white rectangle to cover the whole text. Go on the next slide, select all the text and drag it outside the slide area under the white rectangle. Open the selection pane once again. Drag the frame and the group above the text boxes. Now select the second and the third slide and apply the morph transition. Now go to the first slide and play the slideshow from the current slide. First, text reveals on the slide. And then slider eraser erases it smoothly. And this is all about this video. See you soon with the next one.
Till that, goodbye.